Juvenile shouted. Grew up with them Glock 40s. 17 got my first stick. 18 hit my first lick.
So here it is, y'all. I got my baby back, but it's a bittersweet moment, man. So we found the plug. My kick is brand new, so you know we gotta break that spring in. So we running it around, bump jumping it, booty, 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 booty. It gets fired up. My boy rides around the corner, come down the street hitting it. Everything all good. But this right here. So the owner before me decided that he wanted to weld this on. So yeah. So he kicked it down, shifted down, and boom. Nothing. I can get it up, but it doesn't go down. And who the hell wants to have their foot pushing this far up to goddamn shift you get? That's some bullshit. So now, next step, you know what you gotta do. I gotta get this welded shit off. Got this man undone. And get a new kick on there. So in the meantime, I'm going to do the minor shit. Got some new stickers, my grips, you know, so yeah, man, I'm gonna go ahead and do the little shit that I can right now until I can get that damn kick and let it rip for y'all. But my boy Bump started to take the thing around the block, man. He did what he was supposed to do. I'm not mad at all. So I got a new engine. Got me a new engine put in there. Found it from an old racer. We went and got it. Got a new pipe on there, a little shorty. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna put a bigger one on it though. But that was just the throwing up for now. Got a little shorty in there, so I got chain adjusted, carb done right, new throttle cable, new clutch cable. You know, so shit. The bike's ready, man. It's an old former racing bike. You know, so you got this. See what's going on. But yeah, anyway. So everything is good except for that. Man, I just want to hop on and it's 3 o'clock in the morning right now. I want to piss my neighbors off. I'm back at the spot. Yes, to bring my bike in the house. I don't care, I got no space. I'll bring it in the house. Damn garage light keep cutting on and off. Anyway. So while we waiting for this to drive in the night, I'm gonna go ahead and start putting my new graphics on. So this how it look now. When it come back out, it's gonna be looking crazy. Oh man, got it coming together, man. So yes sir, I've been moving slow as a snail, but this what we got so far. You know what I'm saying? Cut all this excess off. I was gonna take the Yamaha off and, you know, swap it out, but I'm like, nah. I'm gonna keep that cause that's original. I'm gonna just mix it. In with the kit I brought. But yeah, man. So I just took this part, really just cut it out right there. And just made it my own little pattern type way, you know, threw it up under that because I didn't have no sticker for the part that was right here. And I was like, okay, that looks dry and ashy. Plain Jane. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna leave the original one. Yes, sir. I got that sticker work done. Ooh, I like it.
baby. Clayton County, baby. Yeah, Clayton County, yeah, Clayton County, Clayton County, baby. Clayton County, baby. I'm from Riverdale, shoutin'. Grew up with them Glock 40s. 17 got my first stick. 18 hit my first lick.